Okay, let's have a super quick look at active transport. And this is yet another way that substances can move across membranes. And firstly, let's have a look at this word here, active. And by active, what we're meaning in this case is that it uses energy. The other methods that we've looked at are passive. They don't require energy. Okay, so active transport is transport that requires energy by the cell to make it happen. Okay, let's have a look at this diagram here to compare active transport to some passive transport. And the two types of passive transport that we could talk about quite easily is diffusion, and this would also apply to osmosis, where small molecules can just fit between the phospholipids and go from an area of high concentration to an area of low concentration. Likewise with facilitated diffusion, but the molecule's a bit larger, and instead of just slotting through the phospholipids that make up the cell membrane, they have to go through a protein channel. But it's the same concept. It's diffusion, high concentration to low concentration. They just need this protein channel or this little pathway through the membrane to get through because of their size. Now, active transport requires energy, and this is particularly useful when we want to move from an area from a low concentration to an area of high concentration. In the passive transport, we were going with the concentration gradient. Now, these guys are actually going against the flow. They're going against the concentration gradient. They're going from an area of low concentration to high. Okay, it's not the natural way a substance would move. And to do this, they require a protein channel and they require energy. And the energy here is shown in the form of ATP, an ATP molecule, an energy carrying molecule. So that's active transport versus passive transport. Uses a protein channel is one of the key points, but I think it's really important to understand that it's moving against the concentration gradient. Okay, good luck with active transport.